Oh!
This is why you should never eat snow to survive. Melting snow in your mouth is dangerous and causes you to lose a lot of temperature. If you don't have a container, you can put the snow in foil or a rescue blanket. We light the fire and place the foil on the fire. After it melts, you can use it to adjust body temperature or even for drinking.
Oh!
Undoubtedly, the most important use of this knot is that it is used for all cases. And it is definitely too dangerous to use body parts and may cause a lot of damage. It is widely used in all cases and is strong and durable. You must first make the rope in an X shape and pass it under. For more training, refer to the channel. That is why you need to know this method of sawing. You can cut thick and large logs in the shortest possible time. Then we find a piece of wood the size of the wrist and cut it with a knife or axe. Then, with the help of a knife, we place the wood between the trunk of the tree. After doing this, you can place the saw between the wood and do it in the best and easiest way possible. To create a survival fire, you need to know that it needs oxygen to stay lit. One of the main reasons for shutting down is lack of oxygen. We need a piece of wood, and then we put the firewood on the piece of wood. In this way, oxygen enters from the sides. This is how, if you don't have access to clean water in winter, you can use the small bags from snow. Make a cup with improvised materials. You can use survival blanket or foil and plastic bag. Then we put the bag on the fire so that the heat of the fire hits it, and you can use it to adjust your body temperature after a while. If you put clean snow in it, the water will be clean and healthy. In this way, it takes 1 hour to find the tool lost in the forest in the snow. We need 2 trees to connect the rope, and we make the rope in 2 layers and pass its head inside. Then we hang the axe without even tying it. This is the simplest possible method, and it is very useful. You must know that if you need a fire, you can make a fire starter from hand sanitizer gel. In addition, you can disinfect your hands. Contains flammable materials. In critical situations, you can use it as a good option for making fire.